Hello math lovers, welcome back to my channel, The Scholar's Pinnacle. If you've been wondering how to master logical reasoning and using counterexamples to level up your math game, today is your lucky day. I'm going to break down everything you need to know to conquer these topics with ease and confidence. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video is for you. Let's dive in and make you an algebra pro. Logical reasoning is the backbone of algebra. It helps us solve problems step by step. We have the equation x plus 4 equal to 10. If x is equal to 6, then 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. That's how logical reasoning works, deductively solving for the unknown variable. Let's practice some more problems together. Y minus 5 equal to 12. If y is equal to 17, then 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. Now let's take a look at counterexamples. Section 2, what are counterexamples? A counterexample is a disproof in algebra. If you hear a statement that doesn't seem right, you use a counterexample to prove it wrong. For example, if someone says that all odd numbers are prime, we can show that 9 is indeed an odd number, but it is not a prime number. So it's a counterexample. Counterexamples help us check the validity of math statements and ensure that they are true. Let's dive into some more examples. 2k plus 5 equal to 17. If k is equal to 4, let's substitute 4 for k and work it out. We can clearly see here that we have a different answer. K is wrong for 4 if we use this example. Therefore, we have an answer 13, which is different from this 17. Therefore, 17 is not into 13. This is our counterexample. Next section, we're going to be solving some equations as related to logical reasoning. Section 3, solving equations under logical reasoning. Let's solve this equation. Using logical reasonings, we'll subtract 3 from both sides. The equation becomes, then divide by 2, x equal to 2. This is how logical reasoning helps you break down problems step by step to find solutions. Section 4, using counterexamples to test equations. Let's take, for example, x plus 3 equal to 8. Someone suggests that x equal to 5 is a solution. We can plug it in and see if it's true or false. That is indeed true, but what if someone suggests that x is equal to 10? Let's test it out and see if it's true or false. We can see that it's false because 10 plus 3 would give you 13. So x equal to 10 is a counterexample. You just learned the power of logical reasoning and counterexamples in algebra. Are you ready to keep learning? Hit that like button and subscribe and follow for more in-depth algebra lessons. If you have any questions or want more examples, drop them in the comments below and I'd love to help you out. Until next time, keep practicing and getting better.